Hello, it's me, Cooper LeBrant. Today I will be performing 4 medical activities. The first one is excursion. The second is tactile fremitus. The third is percussion. And the fourth is auscultations. Each one of these medical examinations requires you to place your hands in certain placements and follow the correct procedures. Today, I'll be showing you how to perform these. I hope you enjoy it. Hello, I will be performing excursion on Marcus. I'm going to take my hands, put them in a butterfly position right on his back. I'm going to point my fingers towards his shoulders. I'm going to pinch his skin together. I'm going to ask him to take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. His breathing was perfect because my hands went out in the same side on both sides and then they came back together. Now I will be performing tactile fremitus. What I want to do is put my hands like this and I want him to say blue balloon.
Blue balloon.
Perfect. I felt that vibration. Please say it again.
Blue balloon.
Perfect.
Blue balloon.
Now I'll say it one more time.
Blue balloon.
I felt the perfect sound that I was supposed to feel. Now I will be performing percussion. First I find his scapula. I go down to the first position. I keep my fingers flat and I should hear a deep sound. I'm going to go to the same side on this side. I'm going to go up to the next spot. Here. Right here. Now I'll perform the auscultation, which is where I will listen for the breathing sounds in the same spot I just performed the percussion. I want you to take a deep breath in for me. Good. And I will keep this flat against his back so I can hear the proper sound. Please take a deep breath in. Good. Please take a deep breath in. Please take a deep breath in. 2 more, please. And 1 more deep breath. Perfect. His breathing sounded perfectly fine and the subject is complete.